Welcome back, week 3. We'll start upstairs this time. Cutting room, which is an L shape. This side of the cutting room has had quite a bit of change. So we've got the cabinetry in, sockets in, and cutting tables. So this little cutting table is for foam. In your kitchen you have something called an island. This is more of a continent, it's huge. So it's just going to be perfect. When you're cutting foam, there's nothing worse than having edges and things, so it's just a nice big flat surface. We can get those foam bungs all made beautifully. The cabinetry, still one more to go, but this will be perfect. This will have all the heat presses, webbing cutting machines, things like that. Just perfect, just storage for everything. There was a wall here originally. The floor has been made good, although the carpet is still yet to be reinstated, but the floor is good and strong again. As we come through back into the office, a bit of progress here. The wall, which was the stud wall that was put into place, has now been finished off. So we've got insulation, insulated plasterboard for sound. We started running our cables for power and TV and things like that. Carpet has been pretty much salvaged to be used in other places, so the remainder of this will end up going. Glass wall, that will hopefully be done later this week. That's pretty much up here. If we head downstairs, you'll see the spiral staircase not looking its prettiest. All the treads have been taken up, and the glue has started to be removed. Carpets have gone down here. Radiators, we're having all new heating system put throughout. Sandwich trucks arrived. Coming through here, the floors are gone. Biggest change, of course, is bathrooms are no more. So unfortunately, the turquoise loose seat is now deceased. So that's gone. That's going to be dot and dabbed and refinished hopefully later this week. No point putting the kitchen in until the floor's done. Coming back into the sewing room, rather painstaking job of lifting the paint off the floor. So that whole section's been done. We've started coming around here, Like with everything, once you start, you realise there's 3 layers of paint on top of glue and all sorts of things. So yeah, quite a bit of progress here. Later on, the ceiling will go in with the lights. But yeah, it's fast. It's a good pace that we're managing to keep up. And yeah, keep in touch with our socials and see how we get on next week.